Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a heat map for presentations. I'm going to use Microsoft Word, but you can create this in Excel or PowerPoint as well. So let's begin. You can go into Insert, go Shapes. I'm just going to take the rectangle with the rounded corners. I'm going to bring the corners out a little bit. And what I want to do is I want to make this part red, this part I would say yellow, and then this part green. So I'm just going to go into shape fill, gradient, and it doesn't matter, just select one. And then so I'm going to go right click, format shape. And now that I have this first one, let's just change that to green. And then middle one, let's change that to yellow. And then this last one, change that to red. I'll just make it maybe a brighter red. I'm gonna add an extra gradient stop here and make that yellow as well, just so that it's in the center, like so. Okay, can probably add an extra green one here, and probably make this one also a sharper green. And that way there's a better definition. So I'm going to add another red one here, like so. And I'm just going to bring that out probably a little bit. What I want to do is I'm going to add some lines, grid lines, shapes. They're going to be vertical, and I'm going to make it white. I'm just going to make a copy, paste, paste. I'm just going to select all three of them, and I'm going to go align, distribute horizontally. So now I want to do the same thing. I'm going to select a line and go this way across. That's good. Now go insert. I'm going to add some labels. One of them is going to be probability. Just use one of these, Arial black. And I think I'm going to say copy, paste. I'm just going to say hi. And then I'm going to get rid of the outline. It's high probability. And this will be effect. Effect. How does it affect? And then copy. Make this one low. And then you can throw in a couple of arrows. Doesn't hurt. I can copy, bring it here. Shape effects, give it a shadow, and shape effects, a bevel. Just make it look a little bit more professional. Now, insert. You can insert a shape, I'll say a round piece like that. A round shape, I should say. You can adjust it here for the size, like so. Shape fill, let's make it white. Shape outline, make it black. And then insert shape. I'm going to put one of these. And I'm going to take out the fill and the shape outline as well, no outline. And then make that Arial. And then just say, I don't know, invest in company A. I'm going to also add insert shapes and just a rectangle around everything. Shape fill, no fill, shape outline, black, shape outline, weight, maybe a little bit thicker, like that. And just bring it up a little bit more. I think also with these two shapes, just gonna give it some shadow. And maybe just a square bevel angle. Call it an angle, like that. And you can give it a title as well if you want. Put this here. Just put it like that to make it look a little bit nicer. Maybe here. Change this to company B. Do that. Go like that. And then go like this. And I think I'm not gonna have this border. Shape format, shape outline, no outline. Okay. Let me make this a tiny bit smaller. To explain this chart, if we invest in company A, it's a high probability that we do invest in the company. The effect may be that there's a lot of revenue that they generate, or the cost to acquire them is very high, or they're risky. With company B, there's a low probability that we invest in them, and they may be a more stable company financially. So the effect is nominal. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please subscribe.